All right, this is gonna be a shootout style. As players get eliminated, the sauce will get spicier and spicier. Round one, we have the jalapeno pepper sauce. So this is the most mild sauce we have, a little one flame. Low man out, just like the PBA Clash. Whoever gets the lowest count eats the sauce. Let's begin. We got Ricky Poop.
Hell yeah.
That's looking like 5. 9's pretty good. 9's pretty good. Well, since you're first, you gotta take the sauce and go stand over there. Oh! 7! Cam the monkey got 7. Ricky's safe. Cam is not safe yet. He's on the clock. I don't want to lose, but at the same time. Oh. Oh. Safe! Guys, if you haven't already, check out the Vitamin D Tang channel. Link is in the description below. We're moving vlogs and League Night over there. So if you guys enjoyed that series, we're going to be over there. This channel, we're going to be uploading a lot of dumb stuff like this. Hadable.com. That's your job. Hadable.com. Throws a strike, Hadable.com. All right, Hunter. I call him Jelly because he looks like jelly when he bowls. Nice and loose. But Jelly Bob, look at that. Jelly! He's so lucky the left side of the lane has no traffic. I absolutely obliterated the right side. It's just not gonna be good. What do we have, 7? Who's next? There we go, we got Dan DeCock up next. Needs at least 8 to survive. 7 here's a tie. If there is a tie, we will go into a roll-off. Mmm, tasty. Or if there's a tie, they should roll off and have the hottest one.
Just throw it hard on the right.
Just throw it hard and hit the one in the front.
Don't hit the one in the front.
Hit the one in the front. Yeah! Okay. All right, this is Joey. He's my plug for random things. His name is Red Jesper. Red Jesper! Safe! Red Jesper! You signed the waiver the second you said, I'm in. A professional eater B. Canaduglia. 9.
Hey, Darren's still gotta go.
I do have to go. There is a chance. I need at least 8. I haven't thrown a shot in a minute. We're gonna start this off hot. Sorry to take you guys away from the video. I just wanted to thank today's sponsor, Ekster. That's right, Ekster is back with their wallets. Trigger function, pop all your cards out there, flip them right back in. They have RFID protection. They have this little pad right here, this card that's gonna protect your digital data. So if someone tries to steal your data, nope, not gonna happen. They also have their locator cards. They're back with the locator cards. Must have to make sure you know where your wallet is at all times. I have a trip coming up. One of the products that I am most looking forward to using is the vacuum seal kit. So I'm gonna be traveling to Asia for 2 weeks. It's gonna be really tough to pack for 2 weeks. So with the vacuum seal kits, I can put all my clothes in the pouches that they have provided. I can use this pump, press it for a second firmly. It's gonna compress all of the clothes in the bags, in the pouches, and I'm gonna be able to travel nice and light, everything compact, easy to travel with. As we know, Christmas is coming up and big companies are gonna have big discounts. Well, Ekster has one for you. 54% off. That's right. I don't think I've ever seen one that big. 54% off. And if you use my code Darren at checkout, you're gonna get an additional 10% off on top of the 54. So that's a crazy good deal. So if you travel a lot, or if you know somebody that travels a lot, this is the perfect gift. Head over to Ekster, 54% off. Use my code Darren at checkout for an additional 10% off. Link is in the description below. And let's get back to the video. All right, sauce him up. Hook him up with the wing.
Oh, you're being generous, huh? What?
He's hungry.
Oh, that's definitely cold. Not spicy. Definitely not the sauce we put on this window. It's pretty more. What a dog. You know, what a dog. It's not spicy. Cheesy, might work.
Okay.
Like I said.
All right. Well, thanks for playing. Round 2, we've got Melinda's original habanero extra hot pepper sauce.
Yes.
Yes. Should stay the same. We should probably get some napkins. Oh, all right. All right. Everyone's getting their drinks ready. Strap. Oh.
Here you go.
A low count of 9. Uh-oh. 9, there's a tie. Old tie skis. They get to hang out. They gotta be arm in arm. Hadable.com. Shameless. Gas. Oh! Tragic, he ran it out too. Wait, should I just lose now? No, I gotta defend the honor. I just don't want to eat the spicy stuff. Hey guys, just wanted to let you know that we're doing a team trials clinic on January 1st, featuring myself, Simo, Chris Vi, Chris Prather, and Ryan Barnes. If you guys are interested, make sure you check out the link down below. Spots are limited, so make sure you sign up quick, and we'll see you there. Oh! There we go. B Pro Eater. Pro Eatery. Yatta. Oh! Oh! How long is that gonna last? Alright, I need 9 or better. I don't remember where I was standing. You know what? I'll take it. I'm good with it. I'm good with it. I'm gonna have to give somebody else the camera. Yeah, we got a little Melinda's extra hot. I'm gonna pour it on there while it's still in there, so I don't make a mess like. Oh yeah, I'll put it over there. It's got to be a fair amount, right? Why is it so chunky? Is that enough? No? Yeah, is that enough? I'm kind of glad I lost already.
Pretty good.
I wouldn't want to do more than this.
What is this face already getting red?
Is it? How shot it is? Nah. We're good. Round 3, we have the 3 spice level Melinda's Chipotle pepper sauce. That doesn't sound very hot at all.
It looks so chunky.
Ooh, it is kind of chunky. You guys like chunky? Enjoy, because I won't be enjoying this one. Shit!
Let me go right now. For my troubles of driving out here,
You can win a ball. Somebody's gonna win a ball.
Battleball.com.
This guy's just running them all out. Easy money, easy money. All right, B right here. Oh, I didn't switch the cards. You're good, safe. Ricky. Go, that's dark.
Is that good enough? Give it one more. One more for good luck. Here. Oh, we need more.
Trying to twist the flat. You don't even have to finish
He knows
it.
the method. One is that. Very good. I told you.
The good one? All right, thanks for playing. Red savina pepper sauce. All right, good luck, boys. I'll stay in here. I'll hand it off to the first bowler. If you strike, you don't have to pick up the sauce. Uh-oh. AIDS. All right, yeah, you got to hold the sauce for that one. I don't recommend staying up there on this one.
I'm gonna be there.
He's gonna run. It's gonna leave his hand and he's going left. Oh no. Good enough. Good enough. Is that a UFO alert I see? That's an illegal ball.
Sorry, 10 push-ups.
I love that. We should do that right now. Red Yeppa! Uh-oh. Everyone throwing Brooklyn's this round. 10 push-ups. Should do them right there for the squad. Do it for the video. All right, B, champion eater. Are you gonna get level 4?
Push-up.
Those are Ricky push-ups. Those are poop-ups. Another Brooklyn? Oh, just enough. Hunter on the level 4.
Red Savina is chunky.
Oh.
Goodness, how you missed it? Is that enough? Yeah, why not? Get on the pallet. I mean, that's bad.
What are these sauces, man? Is it coming?
I hope so. It was coming yesterday.
Easy.
It's just cold.
Wow. Sorry. All right, well.
I should have got the harder ones.
Round 5. Oh, here we go. I hope this one's hot. We are down to 4 players. It is round 5, and we have the Jalapeño ghost pepper hot sauce. It's got 5 flames, so hopefully this one's hot. Wait, who doesn't like spicy? All right, Joey's getting the second to last one. Here we go. That's got to hook a little. Oh, little light shaker action for the Jalapeño. I know I butchered that. Oh, 9. Here we go. I hope this one's hot. I want to see someone suffer.
I'm gonna suffer on this one.
I know people want to see that. All right, so someone's gonna suffer. B's gonna suffer at some point because it only gets worse. Oh, that might get 8. Oh! He said, "I love spicy."
You go, sir.
Yeah, just stand right in front of the big dot for all the marbles. Oh no! Oh! Hey, your lips are looking a little red.
Yeah, you just burned up a little bit.
Level 5.
Oh yeah.
Is this gonna be easy?
Yeah.
Easy mode. All right, let's go to the wings.
How much time are you pushing on?
Well, you said you like spicy, so you should drown it. Keep it coming, keep it coming. All right, here we go. Oh, we still going. He's a champion.
We gotta go hard. We gotta go hard. I think you're good, bro. I think you're good.
I think the worst part about all this is we've been bowling. We're not going to wash our hands or anything. We're just going straight in. Saw a little grimace on his face.
It started in. Go clip him. Go clip him. It started to hit him. He walks away. Goes.
How we get better wings, man?
Yeah, I'm sorry. They're like 4 hours old.
I think it gets spicier over time.
It's pretty spicy.
Here we go.
Outrageous, but it is there. I'm doing great.
No, you're
These
not.
guys, they don't know what they're talking about.
No, you're not.
I'm doing amazing.
He's a liar. He's a liar.
All right, so we have we're down to 3, round 6.
Don't get 6 or 7,
Maybe.
Oh, push. Oh, goodness.
Let's go to church, baby.
Do we give it to him now or do? Hey, go.
Hey, you never know. 6 or better. 6 or better. Oh my God. What a test. What a test. Oh my God. If he gets more than 6, he's gonna. One of them, the 2 guys that don't like spicy the most, are gonna be in trouble. Hey.
You know what he says? He goes, how did I greet church?
All right, buddy.
Ammo swap there?
Here we go. Oh, that one comes out real nice. Oh, whoa.
Keep it going.
Oh boy.
God.
One more? I got you. A little more.
Oh no.
There we go. Oh yeah. Give it a good little.
Face of shock.
Finish it.
Finish him.
He's in the play part of the week.
That's pretty good. That's what they all say until 5 minutes later.
True. I think the other one was spicier.
We'll catch up with everybody after it's all said and done. Here we go. All right, guys. Last sauce.
The 2 oldest people.
Outside of me. Actually, are you older than me?
No.
The two old are still in. Are you prepared to win/lose?
No. I'm here though.
I have no clue what's gonna happen. I'm just more scared of the sauce.
All right, don't lose. Here we go, boys. Good luck. Oh boy, we got the hot ones, the last dab for the last loser. I'm a little concerned for them. Hey, the winner gets a ball. Here we go. Good luck, gentlemen. 9. I have a feeling this might go to a roll-off. B needs 9 or better to avoid the sauce. B's our winner! Is our winner!
I got lucky.
I mean, you're gonna win the ball.
Yeah, I feel great that I don't have to eat the sauce. That's the best part.
That's it?
Yes.
That's it? Other than getting the ball?
And I get the Equinox salad.
I think I would feel the same
Yes,
about
yes, yes.
not having to have
Yes.
the sauce.
Oh my God,
I
that's
could care less about the bowling ball.
Yes, yes.
We're playing to not lose, not playing to win.
Yes, yes. Well, congrats.
Great job, man.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we're gonna go film our boy absolutely die. Here we go. That looks like death.
So bad.
Oh my goodness. What a champ though. Lathering it.
Oh, you're amazing, dude.
That good?
Amazing.
Let's go.
Amazing.
You can have more if you want.
Hot. Sorry, person. That's hot.
Hey, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
You good? Hunter, how are you?
Oh, we died down.
Good goa?
M&M's, anybody? Come on. I got M&M's.
There's milk in there.
M&M's?
Every time you breathe in, it just gets hotter.
Look at the champion. He's such a giving guy.
I'm just happy I don't have to do it.
Every breath is
Oh, they're gonna try.
Probably do it together.
You want to do it together? I don't know.
You guys are maniacs.
For the concept.
Don't drink that. Don't drink that. It's gonna make it worse.
I want Pokemon cards for retail for this monstrosity you just put me through.
Yeah, you're the king of finding them. I got you on the bowling ball. That's my end of the deal. Look at how happy this man is. Look at this champion in the back, just smiling at everybody else eating these.
So happy I don't have to. You want it? Oh, no, I'm good. Oh, no, I'm vegetarian.
Oh my goodness. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all these guys coming out. That has been our hot sauce challenge. And we got another video to finish. If you guys haven't already checked out the...
Oh, you're just trying to finish that?
Yeah, we're still trying to bowl 300, so go watch that video.
No, of course yes.
You're an idiot. You're an idiot. Come on. What do you guys think this?
We're all done here. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Anybody else need some kind of what I got some.